In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Behance portfolio link that truly represents your hard work and creativity. Whether you're an aspiring designer, an artist, or just someone looking to showcase their skill set, creating a portfolio on Behance is an excellent step towards expanding your online presence. Let's get started by walking through the process of setting up your Behance portfolio step by step. First, let's begin by logging into your Behance account. If you don't have one yet, just head over to behance.net and follow the simple sign-up process. Once you're logged in, you'll want to go to the top of the page and click on the Share Your Work button, then select Project from the drop-down menu. This is where your creative journey begins. Now, it's time to upload your work. Think of this part as your digital gallery. You can upload various types of content, including images, videos, and text, or even embed media from other sites. Using the Add Content box, you have the flexibility to organize and reorder these elements as you like. Take your time to make sure everything is in the order you wish your viewers to see it. Once you've uploaded your content, you'll need to select a cover image that captures the essence of your project. This is the first impression people will have when they see your project, so make it count. Next, give your project a title that's compelling and descriptive. Then, select the creative fields that your work belongs to and add relevant tags. This will help people find your work more easily when they're browsing on Behance. If you want your viewers to have a better understanding of your creative process, consider adding a description and listing the tools you used. This is a great opportunity to tell the story behind your work and engage with your audience on a deeper level. Once you're satisfied with everything, click Publish to make your project live. Congratulations, you now have a Behance portfolio. Now that your project is out there for the world to see, let's move on to copying the link to your portfolio, which you can share with prospective clients, employers, or on your social media. Start by visiting the page of the project you just published. You'll see a share icon. Click on it. From the options that appear, select Copy Link. This provides you with a direct URL to your project, and you can paste this anywhere you like, whether it's in an email, on your resume, or across your social media platforms. And there you have it. Your fully functional Behance portfolio is now ready to share with the world. Remember, your portfolio is an evolving showcase, so feel free to update it regularly with your latest projects. With this link, you're just a click away from sharing your creativity with potential clients and collaborators. Happy sharing!